Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to do a review on the Akface high precision tire inflator gauge. So this is a combination of a tire inflator and a gauge all in the same equipment, I guess, all together. And this attaches to the compressor using, I think it's called an MPT connection, just like that. It's a quick release. And I want to tell you a little story first why I bought that. I have a similar device here that is more like a gun type of device, and I bought this from Harbor Freight, and it recently blew up on me. The hose, I mean, it started leaking and it made a hole. It actually made a hole at 2 places, which was pretty crazy. I can't find a second place, but yeah, so anyway, this was really cheap. I think it's under $10 from Harbor Freight. The gauge did not even work. I've been using this plus a combination of this digital tire pressure. It works for a while, and then this thing blew up, and I'm still gonna keep it because I can actually replace this front part with an attachment, and I can just use it as a blow gun or something like that. All right, anyway, back to the Akface. So yeah, I bought this from Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the description. I would appreciate if you decide to buy this at the end of the video, that you would use my link, my Amazon link, so that I can get a little bit of commission. I did not get paid. I'm not sponsored by Akface to make this video, even though there seems to be like a bribery card here. But yeah, that's actually this is not the reason why I'm making this video. This is just I think a free cash card if I do something like do a review or whatever on Amazon. So that proves right there that Amazon reviews are not all 100% truthful. All right, let's get on to what is in the box. Okay, so it came in with a lot of stuff, as you can see here. It came in with Teflon tape, the gauge and the inflator itself, a couple of AAA batteries, quick connection, and 4 tire valve caps. And it also comes with some kind of rubber O-ring, if you can see there. I don't know what that's for. It's never in the manual. Yeah, it's just there. Anyhow, the oh yeah, let me show you the batteries. It comes with some kind of generic Chinese batteries that I'm not even using. That's it. I think that's all it is in the box. Oh yeah, it comes with a manual that looks like this. It's a multi-fold pamphlet, like so. Okay, so put that away. All right, I was gonna tell you that attaching this using the Teflon tape was super easy. Just screw it in. I mean, put the Teflon tape first, screw it in, and tighten it. The overall build quality is pretty good, actually. It feels like it's much better, well made than my previous Harbor Freight, and hopefully the hose seems to be thicker and more sturdier, so hopefully it doesn't blow up on me, because that made a pretty loud pop noise when it blew up. And so what I'm gonna do is give you a tour of all the features here. So it's really easy to use. Once you start using it for tire pressure, when it detects tire pressure, it actually automatically turns on, but you can actually press the power button here to turn it on manually. It has a nice battery gauge right here to tell you how much battery you have left, which is very nice. And it has actually 4 different unit of measurement: PSI, kPa, bar, and kilogram per centimeter square, which is the most that I've seen. It also has an LED here in case you're in the dark. You can long press this button and it turns on an LED that is not that bright, but you know, just in case you're at night and you can't see and this is the only light that you have, that will come that would come pretty handy. So let's go ahead and turn that off right now. All right, I'm gonna hook it up to the compressor and show you how this works. Hang on, I need 2 hands. securely on this. Okay, sorry about that. That took a little bit of force. And so let's unscrew my valve stem cap. So my tire is supposed to be at 42 psi. So just attach that part right there. Usually I have to hold it like straight, otherwise you can hear the air hissing out of it, which is pretty normal. Okay, so all you have to do is start inflating. It's just to press this trigger right here, and then you let go. Well, let me switch this to PSI. So that's we're at 37 right now, and it's going down because the air is hissing. So pump it up. Okay, so I filled it up to about 42.3 earlier. I'm just going to attach this again to see the accuracy. It has went down. Well, the thing is that it's hard to get this thing attached correctly. It's always kind of leaking air. But if you have the cord straight, it'll actually be correct. Oh, as you can see, it's not registering any pressure here, which is weird. So let me try to... Okay. All right. Okay, I got it hooked on where it's not even leaking any air. So right now it's fixed at 41.6, and that's 42.3. I want to also show you there's a feature here. This is there's a button here to deflate or to let some air go. So that's a really good way to adjust. As you can see, I'm really reducing it to be exactly at 42, and I'm going to release this right now. And we're going to test the accuracy by using this Husky digital tire pressure meter. And I know this is accurate because I measured it or calibrated it. Well, actually, you can't adjust it, so I won't say calibrated it, but I've tested this against the mechanical tire pressure gauge, and it seems to be accurate. Okay, sorry, I'm at bar. Let's move that to PSI. See, exactly at 42. So it is accurate. And we just took another reading. It's exactly at 42. So I'm pretty impressed that the accuracy of the gauge is good. The only problem, which is not really a fault of this particular device, there seems to be just some kind of flimsiness with this attachment here, like this clamp here. So if you keep the hose straight, most likely it will not cause a leak. And even though it's leaking, you can still press the trigger and put some air in, because the pressure of the air from the compressor is higher than what is in the tire, so it still forces some air in, and you're gonna be okay. It's just that you're not gonna be very accurate. You have to like quickly release it when you see that the pressure is going down as it's still leaking. So take your time, make sure you have a good connection here, and you should be good to go. Overall, I like the fact that I don't have to have two devices to inflate my tire, and that saves me some time and ensures better accuracy. So once again, I'm not sponsored by Akface. I just want to do this review in case you guys are looking for a tire inflator slash gauge together. Consider buying this brand. I've been very happy with it. I think this will last at least, I would say, 3 years to 5 years. Even my Harbor Freight lasted about 3 years, so I don't always have to. I maintain my tire pressure quite a bit, probably about once every 2 weeks or so I check it. because the ride quality of the car really, and the safety too. There's all kinds of benefits of having the right tire pressure, so you should always try to maintain your tire pressure. Anyhow, that is about it, all that I want to discuss. If you find this video useful, like I said, I would appreciate if you would like to buy this, that you use my link. I have it in the description. And if you have a friend that is considering buying this, or is looking for tire pressure, or you think they need one, please share my video and subscribe to my channel also. I like to do reviews for products that is useful, and I always have honest review, non-biased. I don't care to be paid. Yeah, so please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself